This is Algebra 1, Lesson 20, Practice Problem A. A base of the right solid 10 inches high is shown. Find the volume of the right solid. Dimensions are in inches. So you can see that you have, like it said, the base over here on the left side. Here's your base. And it's enlarged of the base of this geometric solid. So we know that to find the volume, it's going to be the area of the base times the height. And we can find the area of the base by dividing that base up into two shapes that we know. We know that it is that rectangle, which is length times width. So I'm going to say here we've got the area of our rectangle, and it is equal to the length times width. Color code it for you here. And we've got our length, and it's in inches, and our width in inches. And when we multiply them together, we get 40 square inches. That is that area. All right, I'm going to change to a different color and do this semicircle. So I've got the area of my semicircle, and it's going to be equal to pi r squared, but I've got to divide it by 2. Or I could write 1/2 times that. So that area is going to be equal to 3.14, and the radius is 2 inches, and that's squared because the radius has to be squared, and then we're going to divide it by 2. That 2 inches times 2 inches is going to be 4 square inches times 3.14, and then we're going to divide it by 2. And I could go ahead and divide that 4 by 2, and that would just be 2. And then 2 times 3.14 is 6.28 square inches. And that's the area of the semicircle. So if I add both of those together, the 40 plus the 6.28, I can find that my area of the base. So we're going to say our volume is equal to 40 plus the 6.28 is 46.28, and that's square inches. And then our height, they said, what, is 10 inches high? So we're going to multiply that by 10 inches. And then when I do that, I'm going to move that decimal one place. That's 462.8. That should have been here. Oh, look where I messed up. I've got square inches and square inches, and right here I forgot to put the square inches because that was an area of the base, so it should be in square inches. So this inch times inch times inch would be cubic inches, which is what we want for volume.